It is painful. People know our people die because of anger. In fact, I feel the guilt.
Koto Airabet Wok sabiri kalo. Itatami akiro ni idopitor etengei Karamoja. Ijai kede Honorable Nakut Faith, a member na Airabet Wok district alo Napak.
Because of climate change, you will find one season it rains. No way. And another season, another season. But when we have a water reservoir, we will solve half of the problem. In fact,
Inyobebe itengaro no kaswam koto mao tasuro kalo.
Kota pugani aibeka kini. Farms managed by government. Large farms with the stores for food.
Ijai kede Honorable Opolot Simon Peter, a member la Airabet, legwe kiniti tunga lubuka lo Kanyumu.
In areas like Napak, where land is a bit fertile, working with the community, and the government providing everything and paying even laborers.
Airabet Wok, arucho kinijo, kede ngare no nikon.